Yes guys, what's going on? Quick update video today. We have had a parcel arrive which is sitting down here, courtesy of Tarmac Sports. We're on with the unbox of that in a moment. This is a good one. It's something we've been looking forward to for quite a while now. Just in further updates, as you can see, Cleopatra, she's miserable again. Something else has gone wrong with her, so that's probably for another video if she lasts that long. Anyway, for now, unboxing. So yes guys, as I said, this is something we've been looking forward to for a little while now. This is some carbon goodies. And if you are interested in ordering this, it's through Tarmac Sports. Just go hit them guys up. Really good guys, really helpful. I have had a second delivery from them today, which is sitting up there, which is a service kit. So for the 350, we're having tyres fitted tomorrow, and then in a couple of weeks' time, we're going to see my good friend Andrew. We're having a full service done. And just see what's going on with it, just to give it a good general check over. When I say a full service, it's pretty much just oil and filter change, because we've done everything else already. You might be thinking it's new wheels by look at that, but it ain't. So yeah, with Tarmac Sports, this isn't on the website, so send them a direct message if this is something you're interested in. The great thing with them is they're so efficient and so passionate about what they do. This was ordered on Saturday and obviously it's been delivered today. If it was ordered on a weekday, it'd have been delivered the next day. They're that good at what they do. Just be careful with this bit. Alright, let's get ready for this. Oh, more packaging. All of that for that, eh? Nah, just joking. So this is going to be a bit of a giveaway. We have surround and the NRG horn button, which will obviously sit on there like this somehow. We'll sort that out later. But this is what I've been looking forward to. Oh my days, it's light. When he said it was light, I didn't realise it'd be this light. So yes, this is a steering wheel. And the one we've been after has been out of stock, and I got fed up of waiting. It is in stock in one stockist, but they're over £100 more, and I ain't paying that. There we go. Full carbon fibre, 330mm deep steering wheel. That looks apart. So obviously this is all going to sit in there, along with the short hub and quick release up there. I think it's going to look nice once it's on. We can at least pretend we're driving. We're going to have a look at the car, see what we think. So here's the interior guys, and as you can see, I've got the gold to go inside with the wheels. It's done by the same guy, same colour. And then on the inside we've got the centre console, which is hydro dipped carbon. These I've wrapped myself, so you can see there's a carbon theme in here. And then, so this is obviously going to be the new wheel, which will sit in there. Then obviously the gold boss and the snap off will coincide with the rest of it along there. I think it should finish it off quite nicely. The only concern I have got is once I've got the boss and the snap off on, it's going to be sitting too close. But a snap off wheel is something I've always wanted to do, so we'll run it for a little while and see how we get on. If we don't like it, we can just take it off later. But yeah, I hope you like this guys. Let me know in the comments down below whether you think this is a good idea. And I say, if you want one of these, go and check out Tarmac Sports. Message Chris on the forum, on the Facebook page, and he'll be able to sort you one of these out. But a full carbon fibre steering wheel. You won't believe how light this thing is. But yeah, it looks good. So there's a little insight into what's coming next with the carbon wheel. I've also got another little mod up on here which we're going to be doing in the next couple of weeks, and I'm also in talks with 2 different companies for a different exhaust system to go on. So full custom. I've got Nvidia Gemini at the moment. I don't like the style of the rear boxes, so keep a watch out for that. Custom exhaust incoming. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you do like this one, don't forget to please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.